Are you the kind of person who comes across as indecisive? Do you take a long time to gather and consider all the information? And even with all that understanding, you still feel like you might make the wrong decision. Well, that's totally me. For a long time, I actually believed that I make bad decisions. Why? Because they would lead to bad outcomes. Like deciding to give more time to the singer while causing a train wreck in the orchestra, or programming a weird piece that the audience hated. I felt like about one out of two decisions I make led to undesirable outcomes, and that felt like a terrible success rate. But I learned something crucial. Once a decision is made, the outcome is either favorable or unfavorable. There's a 50-50 chance that it could go either way, and a lot of it is just up to luck. My success rate wasn't so special after all, it was the norm. Poker champion Annie Duke says life is poker, not chess. Chess has no hidden information, while poker is all about decision making when valuable information remains hidden. And there's always an element of luck. You can make the best decisions and still lose the hand. So, great decisions don't always lead to great outcomes, and bad decisions don't always lead to bad outcomes. I realized that I judged my decisions by their results. Now, I trust my process, knowing that I weighed all options, or can rely on my good instincts. I'm not someone who makes bad decisions. I'm someone who makes good decisions, where there are bad outcomes 50% of the time.